Do you want to turn your bedroom into a luxury space? But you don't want to spend too much money? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to give your room a full makeover on a small budget. It doesn't matter if your bedroom is big or small. You can still make it look stylish, clean, and expensive. We'll guide you step by step. From walls to lighting. From furniture to small details. You'll see how simple changes can make a big difference. You don't need fancy tools. You don't need a lot of money. Just a little creativity and the right ideas. If your bedroom feels boring or messy, don't worry. We're going to change that. By the end, your room will feel like a peaceful retreat. A space where you can relax, rest, and feel proud. So stay with us. The ultimate extreme bedroom makeover starts now. 1. Before and after, the stunning transformation. Let's start by looking at the room we're working with. It's pretty simple, just a bed, some walls, and a few basic pieces of furniture. There's nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't feel special or luxurious. It's just a place to sleep, right? But what if it could be more? What if you could walk into your bedroom and instantly feel relaxed and happy, like you've stepped into a high-end hotel room? The best part is, with just a few simple changes, we can turn this basic bedroom into a stunning retreat. Imagine a cozy, stylish space where every detail is carefully chosen to make you feel calm and comfortable. You don't need to buy expensive furniture or spend a lot of money. With the right tricks, we can bring a luxury feel to this room. It's about making small changes that have a big impact. In the next few steps, we'll work on adding some stylish touches, like a new color scheme, a statement piece of furniture, and some smart lighting. We'll also add accessories that make the room feel warmer and more inviting, like soft throws and decorative pillows. These changes will completely transform how the room feels. The best part is, it doesn't take much to make this happen. You'll see how easy it is to create a space that looks and feels amazing, without breaking your budget. Are you excited to see the final result? Let's move forward and start making these changes one by one. 2. Budget-friendly tips for creating a luxury bedroom. Now that we've seen where we're starting, let's talk about how we can turn this space into a luxury retreat, without spending a lot of money. The key to creating a high-end look is focusing on a few important things. You don't need to change everything, just pick the right elements that will make the biggest difference. First, let's start with the bed. The bed is the centerpiece of the room, so it's important to get it right. You don't need to buy an expensive mattress or bed frame. Instead, focus on upgrading your bedding. Choose soft, comfortable sheets, and add a cozy duvet or comforter. A few decorative pillows can also make a big impact. Mix and match different textures like velvet or linen for a luxurious look. Next, let's talk about lighting. Lighting is super important in setting the mood of the room. You don't need fancy chandeliers, just think about soft, warm lighting. Try adding a few stylish table lamps or floor lamps. A great tip is to look for lamps with gold or silver accents, which can instantly make the room look more expensive. Lastly, let's not forget about accessories. Little touches like a rug, art pieces, or decorative trays can really pull everything together. Choose items that add warmth and style but don't cost a lot. You can find beautiful artwork or mirrors at affordable prices online or at local stores. Even a simple vase with fresh flowers can make the room feel more elegant. Remember, creating a luxury bedroom doesn't have to mean spending a lot of money. By making smart choices and focusing on the right details, you can create a stunning, high-end look that feels like a retreat. Ready to dive deeper and see how we can bring these changes to life? Let's move on to the next step. 3. Small touches that make a big impact. Now, let's talk about those little touches that can make a huge difference in your room. Sometimes, it's the small details that really pull everything together and make the space feel special. These touches don't need to cost a lot, but they can add so much charm and luxury to your bedroom. One of the easiest ways to add elegance is by using throw pillows and blankets. Adding a few decorative pillows in different textures, like velvet, silk, or faux fur, will make your bed look inviting and luxurious. You can also throw a soft, cozy blanket over the edge of your bed for extra comfort and style. These simple items make a big difference and add depth to the room. Next, let's talk about wall decor. You don't need to fill your walls with expensive art, but a few carefully chosen pieces can make the room feel complete. Try adding a large mirror to reflect light and make the space feel bigger. You can also hang some simple prints or canvas art that match the mood of the room. Another small but powerful touch is adding greenery to the room. Plants are a simple and affordable way to bring life to any space. A few small potted plants on your nightstand or windowsill can make your bedroom feel fresh and calming. Plus, plants add a pop of color that helps brighten up the room. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. Fake plants can look just as beautiful and are easy to take care of. Lastly, think about adding a stylish rug. A rug can bring warmth and texture to your floor, and it's an easy way to make the room feel cozier. Even a simple, affordable rug can help tie the whole room together. Choose a rug that complements the colors in the room and fits the overall vibe. By focusing on these small touches, pillows, wall decor, plants, and rugs, you can instantly transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat. These simple changes don't cost much but make a big impact on how the room feels. Let's move forward and explore how lighting can take this makeover to the next level. For lighting, set the mood for a luxury feel. Let's dive into one of the most important parts of creating a luxurious bedroom: lighting. Good lighting can completely change how your room feels. It's not just about making the space bright enough, it's about setting the right mood. Soft, warm lighting makes the room feel calm, cozy, and even a little glamorous. Start by focusing on your main light source. Instead of using harsh, bright ceiling lights, try using softer, dimmable lights. A dimmable light can give you control over the brightness, so you can adjust it based on the time of day or your mood. This simple change will make your bedroom feel more peaceful and relaxing. Next, add table lamps or floor lamps on either side of the bed. Look for lamps that have a sleek design or a touch of metallic detail, like gold or silver. These materials instantly give the room a more luxurious vibe. Lamps also add a warm, inviting glow to your bedroom, perfect for winding down at night. Another way to create a cozy, luxurious feel is by using fairy lights or LED strips. You can place them along the headboard, under the bed, or around the room to add a soft, twinkling effect. These lights make the space feel magical and calm, like a 5-star hotel room. If you want to take it a step further, consider adding some accent lighting. For example, you can place a light behind a piece of artwork or a mirror to make it stand out. This trick will give your room a more polished and sophisticated look, without spending too much. Good lighting doesn't have to be expensive. It's all about choosing the right lights that create a soft, welcoming atmosphere. With just a few thoughtful lighting choices, you can turn your bedroom into a luxury retreat. Let's move on and see how a new color scheme can completely refresh the look of your room. 5. Color scheme, the key to a calm and luxurious vibe. Now let's talk about color. The right colors can completely change the mood of your bedroom and make it feel like a luxurious retreat. You don't need bold, bright colors to make a room feel special. Soft, calming tones are perfect for creating a peaceful, high-end atmosphere. Start by choosing a neutral base color for your walls. Light shades like soft whites, creams, or light grays can make your room feel open and airy. These colors also reflect light, making the space feel bigger and brighter. Next, think about accent colors. You can add richness and warmth to the room with deeper tones like navy, forest green, or charcoal. These colors make the room feel cozy and stylish. Add these accents through pillows, curtains, or even a throw blanket. You can also use a darker color for one feature wall to add depth and interest to the room. A luxurious touch can be adding metallic accents. Gold, silver, or brass can make the room feel elegant. You don't have to use a lot, just a few small pieces, like a gold-framed mirror or metallic lamps, will give your room that extra pop of luxury. Remember, the key to a luxury bedroom isn't about using lots of colors. It's about creating a calm, soothing space where you can relax. By using a neutral base with a few rich, elegant accents, you'll easily create a sophisticated, calming atmosphere. Now that we've got the colors right, let's move on to furniture and layout to make sure everything flows together perfectly. 6. Furniture and layout, making the most of your space. Let's talk about how to arrange the furniture in your bedroom. The layout is just as important as the decor because it can make your space feel bigger or more cramped. The key is to keep things simple and organized. You don't need a lot of furniture to create a luxurious feel. Less is often more. Start with the bed. It's the biggest piece of furniture in the room, so it should be the focal point. Make sure the bed is placed in the center of the main wall, or opposite the door. This gives the room a balanced and inviting feel. Next, consider adding a few key pieces of furniture to make the room feel more luxurious. A stylish nightstand on each side of the bed can help balance the space. Choose simple, elegant designs, like wooden or metal nightstands with clean lines. If you have space, consider adding a comfortable chair or a small bench at the foot of the bed. This extra seating will make the room feel more like a luxury suite. A chair with soft fabric, like velvet or linen, can add texture and comfort. Storage is also important. Keep things tidy and organized. Use a dresser or storage bins that fit with the room's design. A clutter-free room automatically feels more luxurious. If you can, choose furniture with hidden storage to keep things neat and out of sight. Lastly, think about how the furniture flows in the room. You want to be able to walk easily around the bed and access everything without feeling cramped. Keep enough space between pieces so the room feels open and comfortable. By choosing the right furniture and arranging it thoughtfully, you can make your bedroom feel bigger and more luxurious. Now, let's move on to the next step, adding some stylish accessories to complete the look. 7. Accessories, adding the finishing touches. Now that we've taken care of the big pieces like furniture and color, let's focus on the accessories. These are the little things that tie everything together and make your bedroom feel truly luxurious. The right accessories can make a huge difference, and the best part is, they don't have to cost a lot. Start with a beautiful rug. A soft rug not only adds warmth to the room but also brings in texture and color. Choose a rug that complements your color scheme, but don't be afraid to mix patterns or textures. A rug in a bold color or pattern can be a great way to add a bit of luxury and make the room feel cozy. Next, think about curtains. Light, airy curtains can give the room a soft, elegant look. Choose curtains that are long enough to reach the floor. This gives the room a more polished, sophisticated feel. You can go for neutral colors, or add a touch of luxury with curtains in velvet or silk. Artwork is another great way to add personality to the room. A few well-chosen art pieces can make your bedroom feel more stylish and unique. You don't need to buy expensive artwork. Look for prints or paintings that match your room's vibe. Decorative trays are also a smart and stylish accessory. You can place a tray on your nightstand or dresser to organize small items, like jewelry or candles. A simple gold or silver tray can add a touch of elegance without being expensive. Don't forget about small touches like candles and mirrors. Candles not only add a cozy, relaxing vibe, but they also make the room smell wonderful. Choose candles in soft scents like lavender or vanilla to help create a calm atmosphere. Mirrors are another great accessory. Accessories are the final pieces that complete your luxury bedroom makeover. With a few simple, stylish additions, you can make the room feel extra special. Now that the room looks amazing, let's talk about how to keep it looking great for the long term. 8. Maintenance, keeping your luxury bedroom fresh. Now that your bedroom looks like a luxury retreat, it's important to keep it looking great over time. Maintenance doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. With a few simple habits, you can keep your space fresh and beautiful, so it continues to feel like a luxury getaway. Start with your bedding. Make your bed every morning. It's a small habit, but it can make a huge difference in how your room looks. A neatly made bed instantly makes the room look organized and inviting. Refresh your bedding every few weeks by washing your sheets, pillowcases, and duvet cover. This will keep your space feeling clean and crisp. Next, regularly clean your furniture and accessories. Dust can build up quickly, especially on surfaces like tables, shelves, and lamps. Use a soft cloth to wipe down furniture at least once a week. This will keep everything looking polished and new. Your rug and curtains also need some attention. Vacuum your rug regularly to remove dirt and dust. If your rug starts to look worn, give it a deep clean every few months. For curtains, check if they need washing or steaming to keep them looking fresh. Also, keep an eye on the lighting. Make sure your bulbs are working and replace any that have burned out. Clean your lamps and light fixtures every so often to keep them sparkling. Clean lighting adds to the luxury feel, and it's easy to keep up with. Finally, make sure to declutter every once in a while. Over time, small items can accumulate. Take a few minutes every week to put things back in their place and get rid of anything you don't need. A clutter-free room always feels more relaxed and luxurious. By taking a few minutes each week to maintain your space, your bedroom will stay looking beautiful and luxurious for a long time. With these simple habits, you'll continue to enjoy your perfect retreat. Let's wrap things up and take a look at everything we've covered so far. 9. Before and after, see the big change. Now it's time for the most exciting part, seeing the difference. A before and after moment always feels special. It shows how much your space has changed. And it proves that you don't need a lot of money to create a luxury bedroom. Think back to how your room looked before. Maybe it was messy. Maybe the colors were dull. Or the furniture didn't match. It might have felt small, dark, or just boring. But now, everything is fresh and new. The walls are brighter. The bed looks cozy and soft. The furniture is placed just right. And the room feels clean, calm, and beautiful. The little changes added up. A new color scheme made the room look bigger. Better lighting made it glow. Soft pillows, cozy rugs, and stylish accessories gave it personality. You used simple ideas, stayed on a budget, and still made a big transformation. That's the power of smart design. Seeing the after version of your room can also make you feel proud. You took the time to make your space better. You created a room that feels peaceful, comfortable, and stylish. It's not just a bedroom now, it's your personal retreat. And remember, this makeover is yours. Every piece reflects your style and your effort. Whether you did it all in one weekend or little by little, the results speak for themselves. And there you have it, your very own stylish bedroom retreat, all without breaking the bank. See? You don't need a huge budget or fancy stuff, just a few clever ideas and a little bit of love. Now your space feels fresh, calm, and totally you. If this makeover gave you some inspiration, give this video a like, share it with a fellow home decor lover, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy transformations. Drop a comment below and let us know, what's the first idea you're going to try? Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!